Sam worked as a cleaner at Grand City University. He was 20 years old and very quiet. He wore a grey uniform that was old and too big for him. The sleeves were long and the shirt looked loose. Every evening, Sam pushed his cleaning cart through the long hallways. He mopped the floors, cleaned the stairs, and emptied trash cans. His work started when the students finished their classes. Most students walked past him without looking. Some talked loudly. Some laughed with friends. To them, Sam was invisible. They only saw a cleaner, but Sam was more than that. Sam loved music. When Sam was a small boy, his life was very different. His father was a piano teacher in their neighborhood. Their house was small, but it was always full of music. Every night, his father played the piano. Sam sat next to him and listened. Slowly, his father began to teach him. Feel the music, his father used to say. Don't just play the notes. Sam learned fast. Music became his happiness. But 5 years ago, everything changed. His father became sick and died. Soon after that, Sam's mother also became ill. There was no money. Sam left school to work. He sold his piano to pay hospital bills. The day the piano left the house, Sam cried for hours. After that, there was no music in his life, only silence. Now, Sam worked at the university. At night, when the halls were quiet, music played inside his mind. He imagined keys, he imagined songs. Every Tuesday night, Sam cleaned the main auditorium. The auditorium was huge. It had red velvet seats and bright golden lights. The air smelled clean and empty. On the stage stood a beautiful black grand piano. It looked shiny and perfect. Sam knew it cost more money than he could imagine. He always looked at it, but never touched it. Until one rainy Tuesday night. That night, the rain was heavy. The university was empty. No students, no teachers, only Sam and the sound of rain outside. After cleaning the stage, Sam stood still. The floor was shining. The piano was right in front of him. His heart started beating fast. I should not, he whispered to himself, but his hands were shaking. He missed music more than anything. Slowly, Sam put down his mop. He walked to the piano. He sat on the bench. The keys were cold. His fingers trembled. Sam closed his eyes. He remembered his father's face. He remembered the old song his father wrote just for him. He pressed the first key. The sound filled the auditorium. It was deep. It was warm. It was alive. Sam started to play faster. The music told his story. It spoke of loss, pain, love, and hope. For 20 minutes, Sam forgot everything. He forgot his job. He forgot his money problems. He forgot his tired body. Only music existed. When the song ended, the room was silent. Tears ran down his face. Then, clap, clap, clap. Sam froze. His heart dropped. He grabbed his mop quickly. I'm sorry, he shouted. Please don't fire me. A man walked out of the shadows. He was tall and serious. It was Professor Thomas. He was the strictest music teacher at the university. Students feared him. Professor Thomas looked at Sam carefully. Who taught you to play that song? He asked. My father, Sam said softly. I'm sorry, sir. I won't touch the piano again. Sit down, the professor said. Sam was shocked. I have listened to many students, Professor Thomas said. They play correctly, but they don't feel the music. He looked at Sam. You play with your heart. Play again, he said. Sam was nervous, but he obeyed. This time his hands were stronger. His music was even more powerful. From that night, Sam's life slowly changed. He continued working as a cleaner. But 3 times a week, during lunch breaks, Professor Thomas taught him piano for free. You have a gift, the professor said. Do not hide it forever. 6 months later, the university held a grand concert. The hall was full. Rich people, students, teachers. Sam walked onto the stage wearing a black suit. His hands were shaking. Then he saw his mother in the front row. She smiled with pride. Sam took a deep breath. He began to play. That night, the world did not see a cleaner. They saw a musician. Thank you for watching this story on Storytales to Learn English. This story reminds us that true talent can be hidden in quiet places. With support and belief, even the smallest dream can grow into something beautiful. If this story touched your heart, please leave a comment and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and inspiring English stories. Keep believing in your dreams. See you in the next video.